respected principal, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Sir, when we have a glimpse of the history, we come to know the Britishers subjugated this land, scorched the soul of this land, sabotaged the infrastructure of this sacred land. The Muslims in response united discipline, organized, and launched a movement of spirit to achieve their independence at all cost. The task was impossible, but the Muslims of subcontinent managed. Faith, unity, and discipline is above all, and surely this is above all. Sir, the sacred piece of land the Muslims secured means to provide a platform for Islamic spirit. What the slogan of Pakistan is. What the slogan of Pakistan is. What the essence of the creation is. What the belief of this native state is. I know, you know, and everyone knows. There's nothing else but to submit once for Allah to acquire peace. And of course today we live in the sacred and peaceful country of Pakistan. So, my heart cries out for the day when young men were murdered, when scholars were slaughtered, when our rival sisters were brutally killed. But none moved back from the faith, none stopped move for the independence, none fell back of the fear of the cruel strikers. This was the day the alma mater. The pure land of pure people demands nothing. And the land of purity and the home of loyals came into existence and say, love you, Pakistan. We stand with faith, unity, and discipline, which is above all. Sir, the pure land of pure people demands nothing but to be civilized, to be practicing Muslims, to be honest, to be fair, to be loving, to be right, to be patriot, and above all to be God-fearing in all aspects of life. Pakistan says that I am the message for the past, for the present, and for the future. And Pakistan says that I am based on unity, on faith, and discipline. And surely this is the essence. Thank you so much for listening to me attentively and patiently.